Welcome back to my channel, YouTube. Today I'm going to take you to Bugambilias. It is in Zapopan, Guadalajara, Mexico. You will notice that this is definitely an upscale community by the type of housing that it offers. Take a look. It has its own commercial area, complete with a huge supermarket, pharmacies, banks, Starbucks, you name it. My principal goal, though, is to take you to the Plaza Panoramica and have you experience what it has to offer. But on the way, we will make a brief stop at the new viewing area. It's a work in progress, but it's going to be beautiful when it's done. Let's go. Our way takes us on a steady uphill climb, but at the top of the hill, it's so worth it. Let's continue. As promised, our brief stop at the viewing area. This is it. A work in progress, not yet officially opened. That's my blueberry. See how I acquired her on my video on my channel? The joys and pain of buying a car in Mexico. Let's continue on to the plaza. That's the plaza. I guarantee she's going to surprise you. So far, parking is free. This is the area where the food courts are, and they have some very nice offerings. On this level, there is a pharmacy and a huge full-service spa. This is what I really like. They have childcare area where the kids can be cared for safely while you get a spa treatment, go to a nice restaurant for a nice meal. They also have childcare for working parents or by the hour in awesome facilities with caring professional staff. And right in the middle of the first floor is a skating rink. Check that out. Now let's move to the second floor. This is the second floor. You can go bowling here. Duck pin or 10 pin. This is for milkshakes and delicious burgers and great service. What I like about this mall is that you can order from any restaurant and it will be brought to wherever it is that you choose to sit and eat. Isn't that neat? This one has pool tables and karaoke. I recommend this restaurant for great sushi and noodles. Take note that each of these restaurants has a balcony that affords you some of the best views of Guadalajara. It overlooks it. It gives you a panoramic view of the city, hence the name, Plaza Panoramica. This is my favorite restaurant. It's a Mexican restaurant. I have tried some of the other restaurants on this level, but I keep coming back to this. Let's look at what we ate and what we drank on our last visit there. Yum! A hot, bubbling bowl of deliciousness. I pulled this one out of the archives from another trip there, but this is what you can have as specialty coffee done tableside. the panoramic view from this restaurant. Here's an example of the overview of the city of Guadalajara. You should see it at night when all the city lights are on. Something to behold. From each restaurant, you're able to see some of this view. Panoramica Bugamvilla. Now we will go to the third floor. This is where they have an amusement park, a mini one of sorts. Look and see. Yep, on the third floor. I was tempted, but I didn't do it. I always wanted to ride a mechanical bull. Didn't do that either. Notice it also gives you a practically unobstructed view of the city of Guadalajara. I'm sure you'll agree with me that this plaza/mall offers so many exciting and innovative things to see and do. That's why I love my journey. That's why I love taking you along. Mexico is so full of surprises, and I want to share each and every one with you. Adios for now.